Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Edu-Care. In this lecture, we will discuss about union of sets, which is a operation on sets. Okay. So what is union of sets? Suppose we have two sets A and B. Then the union of set A and set B is the set of all those elements which belong either to set A or to set B or which are common to both A and B. Okay? And we represent A union B by this symbol A union B. Okay? So if A union B, then we can represent this by X such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B. Okay. So A union B means X is an element of A or X is an element of B, or it is common to both A and B. Okay. So, if X is an element of A union B, then we can say that X is either an element of A or X is either an element of B. Okay. Similarly, if it is given X is an element of A or X is an element of B, then we can say X is an element of A union B. And in other case, suppose X is not an element of A union B, then in that case X is neither an element of set A nor it is in an element of set B. Okay, so here and will be we should consider and, because if it is either element of set A or set B, then it will not be equal to, okay, it will come under union. Okay. So if we have more than two sets, suppose A1, A2, A3 and AN, these are a finite family of sets, then their union will be represented by UI and AI. I varies from 1 to n. Okay, n is the number of total sets. Or we can represent like A1 union A2 union A3 up to AN. Okay. Now we will see some examples on union of sets. Suppose we have two sets given and set A, it has elements 1, 2, 3, and set B has elements 1, 3, 5 and 7. So we have to find A union B. Okay. So it should be either an element of A or it should be an element of B. So union will be 1, 2, 3. So we have written all the elements of set A. Now we have to write elements of set B. But in sets, as we know, we should not repeat same elements. Okay. So we will ignore 1 and 3. So other two elements are 5 and 7. Okay. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. All these elements. Okay. Now suppose we have to find union of more than two sets. So in this example we are considering three sets. So suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So three elements are in set A and set B has elements as 3 and 5. Set C has elements 4, 7 and 8. And we have to find A union B union C. So we have to include all the elements of set A, B and C in this set. Okay. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Next, if we see B and C, so 3 we should not repeat. So next will be 4 in C, 5 in D, then 7 and 8. You can write in any order. The elements can be written in any order, like you can write first 5 then 4. Okay, it does not matter in which order we write the elements. Okay, so this is our A union B union C. Next, how we represent A union B by a Venn diagram. Suppose U is our universal set and two sets are given A and set B. Okay, set A and set B, and this green shaded area, this is representing our A union B. Okay, it means it is containing elements of A and elements of B. Okay, so if we see the figure, A union B is this whole green shaded area. So we can say A is a subset of A union B. Okay, because A union B is this whole green shaded area and A is this portion only. So A is a subset of A and B. Similarly, we can write B is a subset of A union B. Okay. Now suppose A is a subset of set B. Then, if A will be subset of set B, then all the elements of set A will be in set B, or A will lie inside set B. So, if you see this Venn diagram, A is lying inside set B. Okay. So, in this case, A union B will be equal to set B. Okay, because this will contain all the elements of set A as well as set B. Okay. And similarly, if B is a subset of A, then A union B will be equal to set A, as all the elements of set B will be contained in set A. Okay. So in this diagram, it is shown A union B equal to B. Okay, friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed about union of sets. Okay, friends. Thank you.